Hey man.
Alright bro, what's up?
Nothing man, just went to the gym.
Oh yeah, not bad.
Yeah. Form.
I just got this text from this chick I met last night. She wants to meet up with me.
Oh, from the party?
Yeah, from the party.
Dude, I don't know, it wasn't that good of a party. Yeah.
How many hooks did you get?
Just 15.
Taking it easy, man. Just lift your game.
Just didn't have any mojo, you know what I mean? Just sometimes.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Cheers.
What is this?
It's my wallet.
Is this supposed to be like a sick joke?
You know what? Stop this. My wallet.
I don't even know you, man.
How do I not get girls? How do girls don't like me? I'm so pro. Doing this all day. Name's this, bro. If only I had another wallet, I'd be accepted again.
Gay!
Is that a wallet? Who is this? Kevin, hey. Hell yeah.